From the JCTV Weather Center, this is Cameron Douglas's Southern Indiana weather forecast.
Good afternoon, Southern Indiana. I'm Kameron Douglas with your Thursday weather update. We've seen some severe weather, mainly in our southwestern counties so far, and just a small line that's moved through. That's ahead of the main line that'll be coming in early this evening. We've had numerous severe thunderstorm warnings, and those have been for winds in excess of 60 miles per hour or higher, and we've also seen hail up to the size of $50 also being a threat thus far. We've got more coming in the midst of a main line that'll be here early this evening. More on that in a moment. Temperatures reach 90 degrees for the high for tomorrow as well as Saturday. And then Saturday also carries a low-end severe weather risk for a small threat of damaging winds and hail. However, an isolated spin-up tornado can't be completely ruled out, but the threat is considerably low, but not zero. Not too overly concerned yet with Saturday's severe weather risk. The bigger concern is today's risk for severe weather for mainly the rest of the afternoon, evening, and overnight. Storm Prediction Center just upgraded us to a enhanced risk as of midday today. That enhanced risk carries along and west of Interstate 65. And damaging winds, isolated tornado, hail, all a possibility. And those threats actually carry for the entire southern Indiana area. It's just the risk does become less once you get into our far eastern counties that's in that slight risk zone for areas along and east of Interstate 65. As far as the timing goes, we're looking from about now, at the time of this recording, which is just after lunchtime, and it will continue all the way up through about 1 a.m. Central, 2 a.m. Eastern. It may get done just ahead of that depending on the speed of the storms. Now, do note that not everybody may see this. It's not a guarantee that we will see severe weather. It's just there is a potential because it depends on how this materializes as it enters our far western counties. Is there going to be enough energy or not for it to work off of? That's the big question mark. If there indeed is, it could start firing up severe weather, and it could do it quickly. So you're going to want to be able to react quickly, get to your safe spot, and have a way to get severe weather alerts, ones that will also wake you up in the event that this doesn't come until you are already in bed. So do note that as well. As for the rest of the day today, it's a 30% chance for showers and storms through the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures will top out around 84 for the high. Our winds are breezy today, so we have quite a bit of winds to work off of out of the south-southwest at 12 miles per hour. And that wind energy does carry over into the overnight hours. Notice we have a south-southwest wind at 14 miles per hour. The rain chance goes up to 50% and will top out around 64 for the overnight low. And then for your Friday, we'll dry out after these storms. We'll be left with partly cloudy skies. It's going to be a hot one, 90 degrees expected for the high, and winds will be breezy as well. And then the changes are underway as we head into the weekend in the midst of a cold front. That brings us a chance for rain during the day on Saturday. Small chance, 30%. I think better chance holds later on Saturday evening and really overnight and early Sunday morning. We have the possibility of a few severe storms. It's a very low risk as it stands now. We'll watch it though. And then we'll dry out by the time we get to about midday into the afternoon on Sunday, and dry weather continues into Monday. But then another system arrives just in time for Tuesday that'll stick around with us into the day on Wednesday. Temperatures, on the other hand, after we get through the upswing into the 90s through the start of the weekend, that cold front really takes a toll on us by Sunday. 69 for the high and down to 53 for the overnight low, and only in the 70s for Monday. And then we're back to the low 80s Tuesday, but then that next system for rain that brings us the chance Tuesday, Wednesday is also going to try to cool us back down. We're only looking at highs in the upper 70s through the middle of next week. Let's look at your forecast update. I'm Cameron Ellis. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there, be weather aware, and keep it with JCTV Weather Center for further weather updates as this event continues through the night.
Stay connected to the JCTV Weather Center by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and visiting our website at jctvweathercenter.com.